So guys, what's up? Let's take a look at this WTI crude oil. So before we get started, if you know you've not subscribed, please just click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also comment and watch out for it. So we would want to see this WTI crude oil by the time the market opens for the next day, which is 3rd of October 2022. So we would want to see where this price will be moving. So in order to be able to predict this move correctly, in order to be able to see where this price will be moving the next day, we would have to start this analysis from the higher time frame. So you need to stick to the end and watch it. So once you see this monthly time frame, I will start from the monthly time frame. There's only one movement we've seen ever since then. This was around early 2020. This movement from here, which is actually a bullish move, right? I mean, we can see this bullish move which has gone up, right? Meaning we are on an uptrend move for some period of time. And those of you that trade 10 period moving average, right? This is the 10 period moving average I've applied. We all know the rules of trading a moving average. Once the price is above it, then we are to go long. But if it is below it, then we are to short it. So for some period of time, it was above it and we've been going long. Then all of a sudden, this price broke below this 10 period moving average. So basically, you can see that this price, we are now on a bearish move, right? So it's actually broke one previous level here. Let's highlight it from here. This was an uptrend move. Then a correction was made on this WTI crude oil. Then we'll add a bullish move again. Let's ignore all these small tiny movements here. Let's say from here. Then a pullback occurred. So we had this bullish move, right? A pullback occurred here. So notice that once this pullback occurred, this is a first key level, right? Price has reacted at this key level, it broke below it. You would be able to see it at this second candlestick on this monthly time frame. Once price came to this level, same level, we saw this candlestick that rejected. So price came to this level again. We saw it came to the next level. Where's the next level? Can we see this level here? We saw that price actually gave us a pullback at this level. So price actually came to this same level again, and it has actually given us a wick, right? Now we will get to that later. So we now add this bullish move. So price has been dropping, then it came to this first key level, right? We had this candlestick wick, then the next time it opened, it broke below it. It has come to the second candlestick wick. It has come to this level. One of the reasons why we have this candlestick wick here, right? So next we are going to be breaking this level, right? So the next level we definitely can see on the monthly time frame, since we are still bearish, right? This is the next level we are seeing on this monthly time frame, a level of 60.04. Let's assume it was 60.04. So if you can see this WTI crude oil, it is still trading at 79.28, 79 bucks, or you can call it dollar 79, let's say 79 USD. So from here to this our 60 USD, we still have about 24% drop. So I mean, if you are to short it, you should be making in the next month about 24% drop. I mean, that is a lot. It depends, how you want to take the trade is up to you, by the way. So this is the next key level we are expecting WTI crude oil to drop to. So that is it on monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, guys, we are still bearish, right, on the monthly time frame. Now that will take us to the weekly time frame for better understanding. So basically you can see this movement has been rolling on for some period of time. So it actually came to this level, right, that we highlighted one, tested this level 2 times again. So all of a sudden this price spiked up, then it started dropping. So I mean, very much you can see that we are on a bearish move. One, the price is below 10 period moving average. I mean, once it is below it, then we have to short. Now take a look at this movement. A drop, a correction here, another drop on the WTI crude oil, a correction, then we add another drop, a correction. If you notice, this drop actually broke these previous lows, then a correction, another drop, right? Of course, we should be having a correction anytime soon. So this weekly time frame, one of the reasons why this week that just passed, we had this candlestick week here, we kind of have this add an indecision. So I've done weekly analysis on this current this moment, so you can go there and watch it to be able to understand the price, what we'll be having for this week. So basically we are kind of having this correction, but once this correction is over, guys, we will be having a drop, right? Or that is one. We will be having a drop once the correction is over. Only if the correction is over, but we'll be expecting a drop anytime soon. So that is one. Secondly, is that this price is still below 10 period moving average, so we are still on a bearish move. Now that will take us to the daily time frame to be able to predict the price for the next day. So for the next day, I believe we will actually close bearish also. Now the reason why I said so, let's take a look at this. First of all, the price is still below 10 period moving average. We saw that once price dropped, it came to give us a pullback, and once the pullback happened, it hits our 10 period moving average. And once it hits our 10 period moving average, we are seeing a drop again. So that is an indication we are still dropping. Now take a look at this movement downward. Let's take a look at it here. Impulse move downward, a correction, another drop. You saw this drop actually broke this previous lows. This was the previous lows here. So price broke it, below it. Then we had a correction, came to test our 10 period moving average. Now we are seeing a drop again. So one of the reasons why the Friday, the past week, the Friday that just passed, we closed bearish. Even Thursday we closed bearish. So definitely once price open this week on Monday, which is on the 3rd of October, we should also close bearish. At least we should be able to see from Monday to Tuesday, price should be able to drop to take out these lows. That will be giving us about 3% drop. So the next move we are seeing on our daily time frame is a bearish move to take out these lows. This was the lows here, right? So this will be a level of 76. So we are currently trading at 79.28. So we would want to see that drop to at least take out this, get to a level of 76.23. So that is one of the percent. I think we still have about 3% drop, close to 4% drop. So guys, WTI crude, I believe the next day we will close bearish. Now let's see what 4-hour time frame says to actually enter this trade. So basically you can see on the 4-hour time frame we are bearish. You can see this drop here. Then a correction was made. Now we've added this drop. So if you want to enter this trade, maybe you can wait for a correction because price tends to react at the key level. So once we have that correction, we should be able to sit track at this level. We say this level, the price, drop, a huge week happened here. We saw price came here to this week here and rejected. Even did so the next time, 2 times around this level here. This is price actually reacted at this same level 3 times, right? So now that price has broken below it, of course we will see price will come back to test that same level because price has reacted multiple times, right? So this is a key level we would watch out for. So once this WTI could roll up to test this level, then we should be seeing a drop on WTI crude oil. So one of the reasons why I also believe that WTI crude oil for October 3 would actually close bearish. So watch out for it and take your trade. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.